Okay, here's a quick video on how to use the expense feature of QuickBooks Online. In case you don't know what it is, basically the expense feature in QuickBooks Online is for when you pay something by credit card or by bank transfer, and it's something that you didn't necessarily take the time to add in a bill for and then use the bill payment feature of QuickBooks Online. So it's just those sort of one-off things where you receive something in the mail and you just hop online and pay it real quick. It's just a quick way to add that to your book so you can match the transaction once it comes through your bank feed. So to do this, we're going to go click New, Expense, and then you're going to get the form pop down. So let's say we're paying your accountant, which let's just say is me, and you're paying them with your MasterCard. So you're just hopping online and paying an invoice that way. So you'll see over here on the right, what QuickBooks Online will do is it wants to make sure that you're not duplicating your expenses. So if you have an outstanding bill to Casey Moss Tax and Accounting, it's going to say, hey, do you want to add this? Basically saying, are you paying for this $250 bill, or is this a separate expense? So we're going to ignore this for now. If you are paying a bill, you should be using the new and then pay bills feature in QuickBooks Online. So that's probably the best practice. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to say this is some separate one-off thing, payment method, credit card. We can add in a reference number if we need to. Category is our accounting services, and description is random invoice. And let's just say it was a $300 invoice. You can add, if it's billable, you can add a customer if you'd like. And then what we'll do is you can add a memo if you need to and an attachment. If it all looks good, go ahead and hit save and close. And then what that does is it'll basically add it to your books immediately. It'll show as an increase to your MasterCard balance and then an increase to accounting expenses on the date of the transaction. So when the transaction comes through your bank feed, you can just go ahead and match it and you'll be all set. So if you have any more specific questions about this feature, feel free to contact me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC, and you can find me at caseymosstax.com.